Hello, good morning.
Hello, ma'am. What do you need today?
I would like a kilo of potatoes, a pound of tomatoes, and do you have any green beans?
No, ma'am. But I have peas. Look, how beautiful they are.
No thanks, no peas today.
So, what else can I offer you?
Give me 500 grams of strawberries.
And there you have it, 500 grams. And with that?
That's all, thanks. How much is that?
So, a kilo of potatoes, $1.20, a pound of tomatoes, $1.30, and 500 grams of strawberries, $1.50, that's $4.
Here are $5.
And here is your change. Thank you, ma'am, and see you soon.
Thank you, goodbye.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
I'm looking for a cotton shirt, please.
Cotton shirt. Long-sleeved or short-sleeved?
Short-sleeved.
So, these shirts are very fashionable. It exists in light blue, pink, or dark green.
I don't like pink. Light blue maybe.
Okay, sir.
How much does it cost?
That's $15. It is quite inexpensive.
$15. Well, I'll take it then.
How would you like to pay?
I will pay by card. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hello, I would like to book a flight to Paris.
Of course. When do you want to leave?
Tomorrow morning, the first available flight.
I have a flight tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock, but there's a stopover.
I would like a direct flight, please.
When do you want to come back?
I need a return ticket. I must be back next Tuesday.
Do you want to travel in economy class?
The cheapest ticket. It is important for me that the ticket is exchangeable.
That's $400. You pay in cash or by card?
I will pay by card. Here is my card.
Thank you very much.
Hello, sir. How can I help you?
Hello, madam. I would like to reserve a room.
For how long?
For 2 nights, please.
You need a single room or a double room?
I would like a single room, please.
Okay, sir, we have a single room with a shower.
How much for the 2 nights?
$250, and breakfast included.
Okay, that's perfect. I'll take it.
Please complete the information sheet. Here is the key to room number 27.
Can you wake me up at 7 in the morning?
Certainly, sir.
Thank you. Hello, ma'am. How can I help you?
Do you have any grammar books?
Yes, ma'am. We have grammar books. Which one do you want?
I am looking for an advanced grammar book.
Which author do you prefer?
I don't know any author, I just want to improve my English grammar.
We have a lot of Oxford and Perfect English grammar books. They are very popular.
Could you show me the books, please?
Of course. Here are the books.
Thank you very much.
Ma'am, have you made up your mind?
Yes, I want an advanced grammar book from Perfect English.
Okay, ma'am. How do you pay?
I would like to pay by card. Here it is.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Voy a cantar esta canción con mucho cariño de mi corazón.